Do you know about the brains? Let's take a quick look at our amazing brain. At the top, the parietal lobe processes senses like touch, temperature, and pain, while helping us understand spatial awareness and movement. The frontal lobe, located at the front, is our thinking powerhouse, assisting with planning, problem solving, emotions, speech, and personality. The occipital lobe at the back is responsible for visual processing, helping us enjoy colors, shapes, and motion. The cerebellum, also at the back, ensures our movements are smooth and helps us maintain balance. On the sides, the temporal lobe handles sound, memory, language comprehension, and even recognizing faces. Finally, the spinal cord connects the brain to the body, sending signals that control movements and reactions. Together, these brain parts help us navigate and enjoy our world every day. Your brain shapes how you experience life. If it's wired for fear, that's what you'll perceive. The good news is, you can change it. At Conscious Living, we empower you to reprogram your mind and break free from survival mode. Join certified empowerment coach, Mrs. P, on a journey through loss and spiritual awakening with soul-centered workshops based on her books. Learn more at awaken11-us.org. Mrs. P is available to speak at events, including podcasts and book clubs. Transform your life through conscious living, books, and study guides.